That's one. That's one. Yes, we got one. Yes, come on. We got a Team of the Year nominee, and it's Aubameyang. Oh my god, I didn't notice that till late. Oh my god, it's a Team of the Year nominee. I'm not gonna get a Team of the Year. I'm not gonna get one. I'm never gonna get a Team of the Year. I'm sad. Nakata is bad. But I'm even more sad. Oh, we got a Team of the Year nominee. Just kidding. We got a Team of the Year. Allison. Wait, Allison. Wait, hang on a second. I got him 2 days ago. That's the third time I've got him. No, sorry. Second time I've got. I don't care. It's Team of the Year. Okay, well, that worked out well. Right, so now, I wasn't getting anything in packs, so I thought I'd just do drafts and see if we can get anything good in them. So, yeah, what we're gonna do is enter the draft and hopefully we can get some Team of the Year. Anyway, let's get right into them. Okay. Formation. I'm just gonna go 4-4-2 because it usually works out for whenever I go this. Okay. I'm gonna try and get a high rated. I'm gonna try at least to get 190. And we've got Team of the Year Ronaldo. I was hoping for either Ronaldo, Messi, Van Dijk, Mbappe, or De Bruyne or something, and we ended up getting a Ronaldo. Okay. I'm gonna take Douglas Costa over Mane just because he gets a good link. Oh, I shouldn't have done that, should I? Because I covered this link right here. Ugh. I'll take Di Maria. Centre mid, I'm gonna take Kramer. And then, to finish off the midfield, we'll take De Bruyne. Okay. Just Gouliard. And we're going to take Romagnoli. Okay. Centre back number 2. Harry Maguire it is. Centre back, left back I mean. Roberto Carlos is a perfect fit, so he can go in there. And our goalkeeper can be some absolutely shocking kid, can't it? Caballero will do. Oh man, oh my god, this draft isn't good. This is not good. Not good. I'm gonna take Alexander Arnold and go like that. They get a strong link. Proper might actually do something for me. Pogba, do I go? Pogba or David Silva? I'm actually gonna go. Oh, David Silva won't get cancelled, so I'm gonna have to go Pogba and then switch that around. And then I might as well switch that around. Oh. There we go. And that fits perfectly. Wait. There we go, that gets the most chem. I need a Premier League centre back. I think that would be it. We'll go highest rated. Actually, he fits, doesn't he? We can go a triangle. Gomez doesn't work. Bernardo Silva? Okay. I'm gonna go Bernardo Silva and try and fit in there. Oh my god. That is not a pick I want to choose. Okay. Kante is a very good player. I'm gonna go Fernandinho. Okay, Calvin James. I'm gonna try and sort this one out. Oh, 100 chem. We've got this to 187, but that's not good enough, so we're going to go again. We'll do one more for now, and maybe do one later if we don't get another good one. Hopefully a 188 will do, because we did end up getting a team of the year. We got team of the year now, though, which is the best team of the year. Okay, I'm going to go full out. I'm going to have 3-4-3. I'll go Verratti. A striker, hopefully. Oh, okay, we got team of the year now, though, again. I picked Verratti so I could hopefully get Mbappe. So we'll take Ricardo for the link. And right wing, we will choose Sterling. Okay, second centre mid. De Bruyne, gotta be. Right mid. Suso. I'm gonna switch them around. And then we got De Bruyne, Sterling. Guerrero is gonna be the one. Blanc. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. If I can just switch him centre back. Because I need to get it Bundesliga, so I'm gonna go him. I'll take just another French centre back. And then Lloris fits in goal perfectly. Boom. Okay, they both get 87. The goalkeeper, I'm pretty much good. I'll just go rating. We'll go Juan Jesus for rating. Okay, I need a centre mid. I need a French centre mid. Kante would fit, you know. Oh, hang on. He plays for them. What nation is he? Oh, Belgian. Oh my god, look at him. He just. Oh, what a pick. Go on. Come on, give us a. Oh, Mbappe. Wait, no, does he? No. Oh no. I'm gonna go Hazard. I have to go Hazard. Okay. Oh my god, we might be able to just fit Hazard and Benzema in. Ooh, that's a shout. Oh, we could have got him. Oh, and Messi. Like, I'm gonna do that then. I'm not gonna do that until end. Okay. We got a line of good picks out there, so that was good. Harry Maguire. Oh no, but no. We're no. We're not gonna be able to get him in the team. Oh no. I'll go rating, I'll go Mertens. I think I might be able to get 189 here. Son, okay. So, the first thing I'm going to do, put Messi in the team. Then I'm going to go Benzema. Then we're going to go Hazard. Okay. It doesn't give us more chem. I'm trying to think, is there a way to get chem? Okay, let me just fix the rating. Yeah.
I made butter and shop with khichdi. Do you have broccoli as well? Yeah?
Okay. 82. There's not going to be enough chem, is there? Okay, they both need that strong link. Ugh. Wait. And if I go, it does the exact same thing, just lowers the rating, I think. Oh no, it doesn't, but what if I did do? We could, okay, let's put all the highest rated players in. So, oh, 84, okay. Everyone, 80. everyone, we got a 190. We got a 90 rated. You know, I'm actually happy with that because we did get 2 Team of the Years. Let me organise this. So 90. Why did League leave? Seriously, like 92 and 94. Okay, let's see if I can get anything out of the bench. No, I can't. Anyway, we got 190. I'm not going to complain because that's a good draft. So I hope you guys did enjoy that.